Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So today mga kabuchi, we will be showing or we will have a quick garden tour of my sister's philodendron garden. So this is our view from our veranda mga kabuchi. So from there to the pathway and then our giant philodendrons mga kabuchi. So we can say that in this area mga kabuchi, we are already successful in terms of growing the philodendrons here. So we already have a very big. Nana na jud yung hitsura mga kabuchi. Uy, nana na siya ka big. Ang Grand Melanoni mga kabuchi. Nice na jud kayo ang Grand Melanoni. And then we also have another green Melanoni here. So it's quite small, but it's getting big mga kabuchi. And then over there, we had our gigantum. So this is our reverted gigantum mga kabuchi. Pero it's getting variegated na. We are waiting for it to fully recover mga kabuchi. And then, do you think we have a secret here? Of course, we have a secret here. Ta-da-da-da! Oh, they're gone. They're supposed to be, there are a lot of black ants. Isa may tawag ano eh? Termites. Termites here, but then they're gone. So this is tricolors mga kabuchi. It's very big na. It's getting bigger. Also, this very beautiful, big Prince Albert. And then this one, I suppose that this one should be bigger than the Prince Albert mga kabuchi, but I don't know. It's not getting big. This is our Jungle Fever Cellburst Flush. And then our sensation mga kabuchi. The giant sensation. So this one is getting bigger and this one is getting thinner mga kabuchi. It already outgrows its pots mga kabuchi. And then over there, the Wave of Love mga kabuchi is already getting big mga kabuchi. Wave of Love, our bird nest, and then the gigantong mga kabuchi over there. Another Wave of Love, and this is our bombastic. And here mga kabuchi, inside our chicken fence mga kabuchi, look at what happened to our philodendron mga kabuchi. They're all dead because they were eaten by the chicken. So when they said that the philodendrons are poisonous and not good for chickens, I don't think so because my bantam chickens are still alive and kicking. See? That's our bantam chicken mga kabuchi. Oh, see? They're still alive. And they were eating this mga kabuchi. I think this is our albo. Hippie albo. It's getting bigger mga kabuchi, but underneath mga kabuchi, the leaves were eaten by the chicken. And then the other one, I don't know if it can survive. Maybe it can. But we will see mga kabuchi. So I am planning of planting something over here mga kabuchi. So we will be removing our chicken from that cage to there. And then we will use that cage as it could be home for our other philodendrons. I don't know what will be pa mga kabuchi. So I don't have any solid plant yet. And then from time to time we keep on changing our minds mga kabuchi. So our Black ZZ mga kabuchi, I'm still waiting for the new sprout to come mga kabuchi. I am actually excited to get another sprout from this ZZ plant mga kabuchi. I'm still waiting. And this one is the variegated mga kabuchi. But I was not able to expose this to sunlight mga kabuchi. So it lost its variegation mga kabuchi. And I am really waiting for it mga kabuchi to have another new sprout. And then what happened to our golden melanone mga kabuchi? Look at that. Oh. So quite sad, but we have a new leaves here. A new leaf, I mean. And then this is our red majesty mga kabuchi. So it already climbed up mga kabuchi over there. Oh. And then I think it reaches its maximum length mga kabuchi, and so it's trying to grow another sprouts here. So we have two mga kabuchi, and we will let them grow and climb up. They can climb however it wants mga kabuchi, it's okay. And then the top cut of our Choco Burgundy mga kabuchi. Oh. So it's not dying. So the leaves here are growing. So it survived mga kabuchi, and I'm glad that it survived. Then this one looks green na mga kabuchi because it has less exposure to sunlight mga kabuchi. I don't know. I am planning of changing the net mga kabuchi because it keeps too much sunlight mga kabuchi. Then philodendrons still need sunlight. They're already under the trees mga kabuchi, so it's like we overtrap the sunlight mga kabuchi. But still, anak lang siya mga kabuchi. Anak lang siya. And then our red cardinal here mga kabuchi, it's already standing up mga kabuchi. So hopefully it will grow healthy na mga kabuchi because it's still thin mga kabuchi. This is the green Congo mga kabuchi, and it's not looking good mga kabuchi. Then this is the Royal Queen combined with Dark Knight mga kabuchi. So the sharp leaves are from Dark Knight, and then the rounded leaves are from the what you call Royal Queen. So I am looking forward for it to climb up mga kabuchi. And then our compacta melanoni mga kabuchi. I don't know if this can survive mga kabuchi. But I hope it can mga kabuchi. And then our Monstera deliciosa mga kabuchi. So compared to philodendrons mga kabuchi, I find Monstera deliciosa more mystic mga kabuchi. Looks so mysterious. And I like it na mga kabuchi. So, we're supposed to replant this into this large pot mga kabuchi. But we will wait until it will have 7 leaves before we do the transplant mga kabuchi. And then, this is our red Congo mga kabuchi. I don't know if it's already okay mga kabuchi, because it keeps losing its leaves mga kabuchi. So hopefully it will stop losing leaves mga kabuchi, so that it will grow thicker na mga kabuchi. And this is our Belite. So I'm still thinking of getting a variegated Belite mga kabuchi, but it's very expensive. I cannot still afford it. I have to wait. And then this is my newly purchased Thai constellation mga kabuchi. This one. So the new leaves mga kabuchi is already growing. So this is the first leaf mga kabuchi after its arrival. Though the leaves, the old leaves mga kabuchi is not getting good mga kabuchi. So I hope that it will survive mga kabuchi, because it's already my second time buying them mga kabuchi. Up there is our coconut. So we just harvested coconut yesterday mga kabuchi. So I think the sunlight are now able to penetrate on this area mga kabuchi. I hope that the sunlight is already enough mga kabuchi. On this area lang mga kabuchi. Oh. I think there's enough sunlight into here, this area, and in that area. Here, limited sunlight. But I think the sunlight is okay, no? So the net is okay. So the rest of the plants mga kabuchi are still striving. Look at this is our variegated gigantum mga kabuchi. It's getting thinner mga kabuchi. There's something wrong with the soil mga kabuchi, but I am hoping that time will correct the soil mga kabuchi. Lah, ano man si Mardikoy? Yun sa may niya akong Choco Cardinal. Hala, giibot. Naunsa ba eh? Gipatay man. Gidedo man mga kabuchi uy. Dili man careful. I think nadido siya yesterday mga kabuchi. Ay nako. So it's a sad story mga kabuchi, sad discovery, but it's really hard to keep plants mga kabuchi if you are only seeing them once a week or during the weekends mga kabuchi. So it took a lot of dedication mga kabuchi to grow plants. Okay mga kabuchi, so I think this should be the end of our garden tour. Thank you for watching mga kabuchi. Bye bye.